To properly store the Furrion FCR11DC GBA SG-DC refrigerator, you must turn off the appliance. You accomplish this by opening the refrigerator door, locate the control panel, and pressing the on-off button and holding for 5 seconds. The control panel will say off, and the refrigerator inside light will immediately turn off. Next, empty the refrigerator and dry out the inside appliance cavities. Then leave the doors open for ventilation during the storage period. For extended storage, including winterization, the battery should be removed and properly maintained. To bring your coach out of storage, just reverse the sequence by pressing the on-off button for 5 seconds. The control panel will read the previously selected temperature. Now go ahead and shut the doors and wait for the appliance to cool down. If your refrigerator doesn't cool down after 2 hours, you may need to perform a hard reset.